Parsons. I'm a certified public accountant with TaxPlannerCPA.com, and I'm here to answer some questions that have been submitted through our website. Well, not filing your taxes is a criminal offense, so you're already looking at jail time by not complying with your requirement. That can get even more complicated if you're doing so with criminal intent, if you're trying to hide money from the U.S. government. Not knowing that you had to file your tax returns is actually very common, and you probably don't have to worry about a criminal offense at that point, but you do want to get compliant as soon as possible. Once you've filed your tax returns, if it happens that you owe taxes, now you're in a different situation. That's a civil penalty. It's a civil offense, not a criminal offense. So you're no longer looking at jail time. You're simply looking at the possibility of them garnishing your wages or levying your bank accounts or seizing any property you may have in the United States. Realistically speaking, they're probably not going to go after you in a foreign country. It's too expensive for them to do so, but they do have the capability, especially if you live in a country that has a treaty with the United States, whether that's an information exchange treaty or an actual tax treaty. But the situations where the U.S. government or the IRS specifically has gone after an American citizen's assets abroad are not that common. They do happen, but you have to understand the IRS. They have to meet an operations budget. They can't spend $150,000 to go after you in a foreign jurisdiction only to collect $5,000 or $10,000. So they're probably not going to, unless we're talking large sums of money, they're probably not going to come after you. But the bottom line is, to the question, what happens if I don't file my taxes at all? Well, you're not complying with your duties as an American citizen, and that'll entitle you to some jail time. Hi, my name's Edward Parsons. I'm a certified public accountant, and I am an expat.